What's up, guys? I got this '06 Chevy Impala SS. Just picked it up and the hood kept saying it was open. Couldn't find where it plugs in on the latch. I don't know, I guess it's missing or it's broke or whatever. There's supposed to be like a wire that comes off here. So what I ended up doing was I cut the pigtail off and I connected, so you don't need the pink wire. This pink wire right here, you don't need this. You just connect these two, twist these together, the purple and the black, like how I did down here. See if I can zoom in, it's hard to. So I connected those. It thinks that the hood is closed even when it's open. And just to show you guys this works, here's the key. Lock it, hold the remote start for 5 seconds. So I'm gonna leave it just like this. I'm gonna put electrical tape around the 2 wires and that's it.